But the beauty of chess is that your plan is meeting somebody else's plan that potentially changes your plan. And
Mhm.
in technology, when you design a solution,
Mhm.
when you implement software in a workplace,
Mhm.
you start with a plan.
Yeah.
But as we say also, and this is coming from the military, the plan always changes when you actually doing it. So there is something about creating the plan. And I think the beauty of chess, when you get to that level that you actually say, okay, I have a plan, I'm going to attack on this area. But then, surprise, my opponent decides to attack on the same area, or maybe actually attack in a different area, and
Mhm.
I have to react.